How to factory reset in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option general. Now click on general and then scroll down, and here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on erase all content and settings. It means factory data reset. Now click on continue and then click on erase iPhone. After erase iPhone, it will be factory reset. So this is the way to do factory reset in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.